Hey, I'm Krista with Dirt Locker, and today we're in Palos Verdes, California, talking with our customer Judy, and we are working on an eroded hillside in her backyard. Well, Judy, you are quite the expert and have quite a bit of knowledge on landscaping and gardening in general. So tell us a little bit about what you do in your business.
Well, I have a little business called judyshomegrown.com, and I take care of people's fruit trees, vineyards, roses. Half my business is pruning roses. And I also teach people how to set up vegetable gardens. So everything from, it's really all about growing food. That's my focus. I'm a master gardener in 2 states, California and Massachusetts. And I also belong to the California Rare Fruit Growers of California, and I also California. They have chapters in other states, believe it or not, and it's still called California Rare Fruit Growers. And I also belong to the South Coast Rose Society.
So what were some of the deciding factors for choosing Dirt Locker over an alternative?
First, it's inexpensive compared to building a retaining wall. You don't need a permit. They were easily plantable. It answered a lot of questions about, it solved problems with erosion and egress, how to get to the hill and use it and make it usable. I mean, I thought this was like a godsend because it did all of these things and very reasonably. And it looks like a pretty simple install. So someone who, my handyman who doesn't even do this kind of, she doesn't do retaining walls, she can build this and in a day have it installed. So it's quick as well.
Mm-hmm.
I can't say enough good things about it.
You felt comfortable DIYing it,
Yeah,
yourself,
exactly.
yeah.
I was also worried about erosion because I would dig in this area and occasionally kids would climb up from this school, this elementary school I'm right next to. And eventually, yes, I had streaming mud and rocks and dirt coming down the hill. And I thought, eventually, I'm going to have to deal with that. I knew how much retaining walls cost, and I didn't even want to go there because it would have been at least $10,000 to put in a retaining wall, and I might have needed 2. So figure 20, 30,000 easily. I didn't even want to go there. And you need a crew, and sometimes you even need a permit, and all of these things conspired to make me just keep putting it off. I thought the expense is going to just be astronomical to get this hill taken care of. And then I was talking to a friend who, Charles Malkeef of IV Organics, and he said, do you know anything about dirt lockers? I'm like, no. What is dirt lockers? And when I looked into it, I thought, this could be the answer. This is perfect. It'll keep it from eroding. It's not terribly expensive. You can plant in it, which is like my dream come true. I have all this extra space now that I'll be able to use. So the more I looked into it, the more I thought, hey, this could be it. This could be the answer.